Hello, focus physicians. Today we are going to be talking about how an induced magnetic field from a coil can disrupt the natural direction of a compass.
Go.
So for this experiment, we needed three things. We got a compass, which you can just get online or in store. We got a 9-volt battery. This is the strongest one we could find at the time. And we got what's called a 16-gauge wire, which we manually made into a coil by wrapping it around a pencil. You can find all these at your local store or Meyer. Please sponsor us. Optionally, you can always get Taco Bell. Taco Bell helps with physics.
Once we connect the 16-gauge wire to the positive terminal of the battery, the needle of the compass will be deflected by around 40 degrees. This is caused by Earth's magnetic field along with the magnetic field of the induced coil.
Hello, focus physicians. Hello, focus physicians. Today we are going to be talking about how magnetic field coil can affect the natural direction of. Hello, focus physicians. Started.
16-gauge wire to the positive end of the terminal. Positive end of the terminal. Yeah, of course that's what it is.
Not easy, is it?